class 4th. Welcome to online classes in Heritage Public School. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. This is your math class. So open your math book, page number 94, exercise 11a. Write the shaded and unshaded part as common fractions and decimal fractions. Shaded part 1 to 3, 3 upon 10 is equal to 0.3. And unshaded part 7, 7 upon 10 is equal to 0.7. Shaded part 4, 4 upon 10 is equal to 0.4 and unshaded part 6, 6 upon 10 is equal to 0.6. Right part is colored, write as common fractions and decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 upon 10 is equal to, 4 upon 100 is equal to 0.04. Colored part is 8. 8 upon 100 is equal to 0.08. Color to show the decimal. 0.2. We write 2 part in colored. 0.5. We 5 part in color. Write these as decimal. 2 upon 10 is equal to 0.2. 6 upon 10, 0.6. 5 upon 100, 0.05. 9 upon 1000, 0.009. Write this as common fractions and in word. 0.4, 4 upon 10 and word 0.4. 0.04, 4 upon 100, 0.04. Turn the page. Exercise 11b. Write as common fraction. 0.65 is equal to 65 upon 100. Write as decimal fraction. 15.10. 15 upon 10 is equal to 1.5. 32 upon 10 is equal to 3.2. 397 upon 1000 is equal to 0.397. 8 by 6 upon 10 is equal to 8 tens are 80, 80 and 6, 86. 86 upon 10 is equal to 8.6. Fill in. Fractions decimal. 17 upon 10 is equal to 1.7. So, we write 1.7. 8.04. 804 upon 100. 8.04. Turn the page. Question number 4. Write as decimal and common fraction. 1.05. 1.05 and 105 upon 100. 10.008. 10.008 and 1,008 upon 1000. Write the place value for each decimal part. Write the value as common fraction. 6.0. 6 place value 6. 0.6. 6 upon 10. 0.06. 6 upon 100. 0.006 and 6 upon 1000. 3.23. 3.28. 3 is place value 3. 2 place value 2 upon 10 and 8 place value 8 upon 100. Fill in the blanks. For 0.45 is equal to 4 upon 10 plus 5 upon 100. Question number 7. Write in the expanded form from the decimal part. Write the value as common fraction. 0.89. 8 upon 10 plus 9 upon 100. 0.028. 0 upon 10 plus 2 upon 100 plus 8 upon 1000. Fill in with the short form decimal form. 5 upon 10 plus 8 upon 100. 0.58. 2 upon 10 plus 3 upon 100 plus 5 upon 1000. 0.235. Compare and fill in these symbols. 0.5 greater than 0.09. 1 is greater than 0.999. Come to next page. 101. Question number 10. Write in ascending order. 0.71, 0.071 and 0.71, 1.071, 1.7 and 7.1. Next 0.028, 0.28, 2.08 and 2.80 and 20.8. Write in descending order: 0.34, 0.304, 0.134 and 0.104, 0.034. 5.55, 0.555, 0.55, 0.505 and 0.055. Next, fill in the blanks. 75 paise in rupees is equal to 0.75. 650 paise in rupees, 6.50. Write a decimal, also write the number name. 24 upon 10, 22.4, and we write number name 2.4. 239 upon 10, 23.9 in decimal and number name 23.9. Write as fraction: 0.8, 8 upon 10 and 3.9, 3 upon 10, 0.03, 3 upon 10. Turn the page. Question number 15. Write the place value of each digit. 0.321, 3 tens, 2 100 and 1000. It means 3 upon 10, 2 upon 100 and 1 upon 1000. Write in expanded form. For the decimal part, write the place value as common fraction. 0.74, tens and 100. 7.10 and 4.100. 4 upon 100. Fill in with the short form. 2 plus 5 upon 10 plus 5 upon 100. 2.5 and 7. 4 upon 10 plus 6 upon 100 and 9 upon 1000. 0.467. Compare the decimal. 2.60 and 2.6 is equal. 0.402 and 0.042. 0.402 is greater than 0.042. Write in ascending order. 0.8, 0.89, 0.713 and 0.78. Write in descending order. 0.32, 0.302, 0.03 and 0.004. Exercise 11C. Addition in decimal. 6, 3 and 3 6, decimal and 0. 4 and 5 9, 5 and 3 8 and decimal and 0. 3 and 4 7, 5 and 8, 8 and 5 13, 3 and carry 1, 1 and 8 9, 9 and 2 11, 1 and carry 1, decimal and 1. 3 and 2 5 and 1 6, 4 5 6 7 is equal to 22. We write 2 and carry 2. 8 into 10, 10 and 9 19 and 1 20. 2 and 0. Sorry, 0 and carry 2. Decimal point. 2 and 5 7, 7 and 1 8 and 1. Okay. Doing this copy. Exercise 11D. 6 minus 2. Subtract 6 minus 2 is equal 4.0. We can't subtract 5 minus 8, so 1 borrow. So make 15. 15 minus 8 7. And what's left? 1. 1 minus 1 0. And 8 minus 3 5. We can't subtract 7 minus 8, so 1 borrow. 17. 17 minus 8 9. What's left? 4. 4 minus 0 4. And what's left? 1. We can't subtract 1 minus 2, so 1 borrow to make 11. 11 minus 2 9. And what's left? 1. We can't subtract 1 minus 5, so 1 borrow to make 11. 11 minus 5 6 and 1 minus 1 0. And point A, B, C, D. Do in your notebook. Page number 117. Exercise 14A. Write the timer show. 12, 1, 2, 3. 12, 3. And 12, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. 12, 30. 4, 5 and 6, 7. 4, 7. 4. Turn the page. Question number 2. Write the time and show. Quarter to 8. It means 8 बजने में 15 मिनट बाकी है. 10 past 4 or 4:10. 4 and 10. Quarter past 4. This is quarter. 15 minutes quarter. Quarter past 4. Draw the hands to show the time. One day is equal to 24 hours, but 1 hours in 60 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. 1 hour and 60 minutes. So 7, 47. 7 and 47, 45, 46 and 47. The hands. Draw. How much time has passed? 3 a.m. and 4:47. So 47 minutes. 6, 4 a.m. and 7, 4 a.m. is equal to 1 hour. Come to next page. Fill in the time with a.m. and p.m. as needed. 5 o'clock in the morning, 5 a.m. 6 o'clock in the evening, 6 p.m. 8:30 at night, 8:30 p.m. 2 at night, 2 a.m. Fill in. Number the hours between 6 a.m. at noon, 6 to 6, 6. Number of hours between 7 p.m. at midnight, 7 and midnight, 12 o'clock. 7 to 8, 1 hour. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It means 5. Number of hours between noon and midnight, 12. Number of hours between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. 11, then 12 and 1, 2. Turn the page. Exercise 14B. Fill in. 6 hours in convert to minute. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 6 multiply 60. 6 6 are 36 and 0. 360 minutes. 5 days in hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 5 into 24 is equal to 120 hours. Change to minute. 8 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 8 into 60 multiply 480 minutes. Convert to second. 4 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 4 into 60 is equal to 440 seconds. 4 6 are 24. 240 seconds. Change to hour. 9 days. 9 days in hour. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 9 multiply 24 is equal to 216 hours. Convert to days. 8 weeks. 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 8 into 7 is equal to 56 days. Convert to hour and minute. 125 minutes. 160 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 125 divided 60 is equal to 2 hours and 5 minutes. 61 is 60, 62 is 120, 62 is 120 and 5 left is minute. 5 minutes. Convert to minute and second. 78 seconds. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So 78 divided 60. 61 is 60 and what's left? 18. 18 seconds. 1 minute and 18 seconds. Change to days and hours. 36 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 36 divided 24 is equal to 1 day 12 hours. 24 ones are 24 and what's left? 12. 12 hours. Test of leap year. 2008 is leap year. 2015 common year. 2020 leap year. 2400 leap year. 2100 common year. Exercise 14C. Sum 26 plus 28. 614, 4 and carry 1, 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 2, 5. 54 minutes. 17 plus 9 hours. 7 and 9, 16. We write 6 and carry 1, 1 and 1, 2. 3 and 8, 11. We write 1 and carry 1, 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 2, 5. 1 and 1, 2 and 1, 3 and 1 and 1, 2. 23 hours and 51 minutes. Subtract 16 minus 7 hours and 17 minus 8 minutes. We can't subtract 7 minus 8, so 17. 17 minus 8, 9. And we can't subtract 6 minus 7, so 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. 9 hours and 9 minutes. Complete exercise in your notebook. Exercise 11 ABCD and exercise 14 ABC. Do in your notebook and send to us. Goodbye. Have a nice day.